If you've clicked on this video, it means you're an Etsy seller competing among over 5 million sellers and 120 million listings. At this point, your sales have either significantly decreased compared to the good old days, or are not growing fast enough compared to your competition. We've been where you are, dealing with the ups and downs of selling on Etsy. That's why we've made the only tool out there that promises to get any of your listings on page 1. Before telling you more about it, it's important to understand how Etsy works and what ranking on page 1 means for your business. Etsy is not what it used to be. Offering a great product with nice photography and an affordable price is not enough anymore. I'm sure you've already tried everything. Improving your listing SEO, borrowing the best keywords from other bestsellers, changing your product photography. Nothing seems to work. Remember, there are 120 million listings out there. Etsy simply doesn't have enough room for all of them. With all that competition, it's important to understand what Etsy values the most in your listing. Two things: demand and new customers. Etsy wants to see that your listing has the potential to generate a lot of sales. More sales for you means more revenue for Etsy. Secondly, new customers. If your product could bring in new clients to Etsy from outside the platform, your product will be shown everywhere. More outside customers mean more long-term revenue, which is a no-brainer for any e-commerce platform. If you can meet these two requirements, you can rank anything on page 1. So what is eRANKER, and what does it have to do with all of this? eRANKER is a limited access tool that uses optimized marketing techniques to generate mass promotional campaigns. It automatically creates thousands of your listings' ad copies and shares them on the most popular social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. This will signal Etsy about a massive demand for your listing coming from outside platforms, which will result in increasing your listing quality and ranking your listing on page 1, where all sales happen. The best part, you don't need to integrate it with your shop or have any tech skills. Just use your computer and your listing. Now, why is ranking on page 1 so important, and what does it mean for your shop? First of all, this is where all the buyers come when searching to buy something. If your customers cannot see you, they will not buy from you. To give you more context, 75% of all sales happen on page 1. So imagine what will happen if your listings are moved up from pages 2, 3, 4, or let's say 20. If you're serious about your business and you want to get ahead of the competition, don't let others take your place. Reach out to us on Fiverr today. Find out if your shop can get our special lifetime license for ranking unlimited listings on page 1.